In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your account has image upload access. This is an important feature for many users who want to enhance their interactions with the ChatGPT platform by including images. If you're not seeing the image upload icon, which appears as a clip or a picture icon in your chat bar, don't worry. I'm here to help you troubleshoot and gain access. First, let's start with understanding version compatibility. Only specific versions of ChatGPT, such as the ChatGPT with Vision on desktop or the mobile app, support image uploads. If you don't notice the image upload icon right away, you might need to ensure you're using a compatible version. It's a good idea to check whether you're working with the latest updates. For those using the mobile app, updating your ChatGPT app is a straightforward first step. Simply head to the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device or the App Store for iOS users. In the search bar, type in ChatGPT and see if the update option is available. Tap Update, then once the app has processed the new update, reopen it to see if the image upload feature is visible in your chat interface. Desktop or laptop users, take note, sometimes the issue might be your browser. Make sure you're using a supported one like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Once you've confirmed this, it's crucial to clear your browser's cache and cookies, as old data can sometimes prevent new features from appearing. If you're using Chrome, for instance, navigate your way to Settings, then Privacy, and from there, click on Clear Browsing Data. After you've completed this step, make sure to refresh ChatGPT and check if the image upload option is now available. Let's now shift to the types of images you can upload. ChatGPT's system supports several formats including JPG, JPEG, Web, and GIF. Be cautious though, as there's generally a maximum size limit of around 20 megabytes for the images. If your image file is too large, you'll need to compress it beforehand to ensure successful uploading. For mobile users experiencing issues, it could be that the app permissions are not correctly set. Go into your settings, then choose Apps, find ChatGPT, and look for permissions. Make sure both camera and storage accesses are enabled, as these are required for utilizing the image upload feature properly. Lastly, if after all these adjustments you're still experiencing issues, try logging out and then logging back into your ChatGPT account. If the problem persists, it's worth checking access from another device, whether a different phone, a tablet, or a personal computer, to rule out any hardware-specific issues. These steps should help you access the image upload feature, but if you continue to face challenges, it's always a great idea to reach out to ChatGPT's support for more personalized help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in resolving your image upload issues with ChatGPT.